Hi guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls. Let's make today these earrings. They are very flexible, easy to make, and also you can accessorize because it's like a piece of chain that we will make today. And then you can use any long bead, or I also made some with little bead. I've also made this leaf. So a lot of necklaces that I do very complicated, and when you want to make something matching, it should be some little plain, not too much attention. I also made this pair. It just with a piece of wire that I hammer a little bit more in the middle. And I hope it can be useful for a lot of other things for you. But I think the best is for earrings. I really like how they lightweight and very flexible. What we need for that? We will need for our project, I will make this pair today. So we will need 2 headpins that I made from 24 gauge wire. Here is 2 beads, glass bead, and some leftover wire from your projects, as always. Or you can cut them. This is 20 gauge wire, and you will use exactly 1 inch, 1 1/4. Yeah, I try to cut them 1 1/3 actually. But if they come sometimes leftovers a little longer, that's fine too. So that's approximately that much you will need. And you have to use your torch. So you torch from that size, it will be a piece like this. See how much smaller it is compared to the wire. Let's see how long it is after I torch them. Okay, it is almost an inch long. Yep. And I will use 4 for each earring. So let's make. Approximately we use the middle, and you just make the shape like this. We need 4 of them. Two, 3, 4. I will join them with the jump ring. So let's take my jump rings. I didn't have time to lever them, so all those designs that I showed you, they need to go in a liver of silver. Oh, before we actually join them, I forgot important thing. We need to hammer them. Because they're so tiny, you hold them and you just hammer. First you hammer only the circle here, and then very lightly, few taps when they join. Let's see. You have to make sure that the wires are tough enough. You won't be able to squish. There is no way you can move. That's the point. It has to be so stiff. So now you can use for your earrings, for your chain. I pre-hammer. You can see I nicely hammer all this, and then just lightly when they join. You don't want to do too much. You can also use different hammer. I use this one today. You can use rubber mallet if you wanted to when they join, but if you do it very gently in the middle a couple times, it's okay too. Just lightly, so they will be stiffened. It's work hardening your wires. So here is all pre-hammered, these pieces, and we just use a jump ring to bring them all together. Oops. Sorry, sometimes I move from the camera. Okay, we have and we need 4 of them. If you like them a little bit shorter, you can make 3. It's a little fiddly, but you have to put each one inside and just secure with a jump ring. Oh, let me finish one more and come back. I connect all 4 of them. They are tiny, so, but very flexible. After you're done, you can a little bit, it's very hard now, but you can slowly like put them in the right position a little bit, tweak them. Okay, and all we have to do now, add it our glass bead. You can also use tons of the small seed beads or any gemstones you want. That's up to you. This tube is a little tight. And we're making this simple loop. Usually I cut in the middle here and just and now you would use for this pair I use again jump ring and then the larger one with your bead. For this pair of earrings, because I wanted to sit this way, so I just use one jump ring and then the element that I made, leaf, with a little bead. Same with these. I hope you guys like it. It's very simple and easy to make, easy to achieve, and all you need are some leftover wires that you have. I tried to utilize all mine that was sitting for a long time. So all the projects that I did recently is actually utilizing all small leftover wires. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next Tuesday again.